that in many ways I'm a lot like Rose, because when you first meet her, she comes off as somebody that is very charismatic and trustworthy and trusting and very sweet and innocent, and I would like to believe that I give off a lot of those impressions because it's something that people like to look for in people that they would like to be with and hang out with and be friends with. So I would like to think that I'm a lot like her. She's a very classy girl.